Okay, in the previous video, I showed you guys that the Laplace transform of f prime of t is equal to s times f of s minus f of 0. In this video, I'll show you guys what's the Laplace transform of the second derivative. So check this out. But before I do that, let me rewrite this into another form for you so we can mix and match much better in a second, right? So let me rewrite this as the Laplace transform. And we know f prime of t represents the first derivative with the prime to represent derivative, right? Let me rewrite this as, okay, let's put parentheses in the prime, like that. And inside here, we will have the original f of t. Of course, this is saying we differentiate the original, we get f prime of t. That's the first derivative, all right? And this is equal to s. And then we know f of s is the same as saying the Laplace transform of the original, which is f of t, like this. And then we will minus f of 0, right? Just like that. All right, this is the result that we had previously, and now let's check out what's the Laplace transform of f double prime, all right? So let me write this down right here. I want to find out the Laplace transform of f double prime of t. Double prime means you differentiate it twice. Well, what does that mean? That means we differentiate the first derivative, isn't it? This right here is the same as saying the Laplace transform. I'm going to differentiate the first derivative. How's this? You see, I'm differentiating the first derivative. Of course, I will end up with the second derivative. Well, now you see, inside here, I have f prime of t. Earlier, I have f of t. This right here, you see, you have the parentheses in black and also the prime in black, like this, right? Now, all I have to do is plugging this into here and plugging this into here. And instead of the original f of 0, this will be f prime and now 0. That's it. So this is going to be, we still have the s in the front, and then the Laplace transform. This and that match, and now I have to put this right here, which is f prime of t, like this. And then minus, the reason this is f of 0 is because f of t, f of t. So now, this right here, it will be f prime, f prime, f prime of 0. How's this? Yeah? This is pretty much the form for the Laplace transform of f double prime, the second derivative. But notice that, what's this? This is the Laplace transform of the first derivative, which we know that right here already, right? So let me just put this down right here for you guys. We will have s times f of s, and then minus the original f of 0. This is this part here. And of course, we have to finish this up. We still have this s in black in the front, like this, right? And then we have minus f prime of 0, like that. At the end of the day, of course, do the usual algebra, distribute. So we see that we will have s squared times f of s, and then s times that. So minus s times f of 0, and then minus the first derivative f prime, like this, of 0. This right here will be the result for the Laplace transform of the second derivative. So cool, isn't it?